Welcome to day number 22 of the September Madness Automation Challenge, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an email follow-up for any of your business processes, right? So, like, for example, what we're doing here is when the call ends, we're going to email the caller their confirmation of the booking. You can do it to put people deeper into your funnel, all of that, right? So let's just go over it. So the phone call starts with, hey, this is the shop, how can we help you, right? So let's say the user wants to book something, that's amazing. We say, how many guests are they bringing? And we're going to ask them what's cool, how many, what's your preferred time, what's your name. Then we're going to ask them for an email address, right? We're going to make sure and repeat back to them so we've got the right one, okay? So we don't email some random person, okay? Then we're going to end the call. So classic booking setup, right? So let's just go into the backend and show you how it all works with all of these variables. Alright, here in the backend, the call comes, all the full transcript, everything gets sent, and as usual, we like to play with the full concatenated transcript, right? So that basically means the whole thing, everything that's been said in the call. So I've already done the call, I'll show it, also I'll explain this whole thing, right? So we're going to extract these four things from the call: the name, time of booking, reason for booking, and email address. As you guys know, every time I do one of these things, I do the Google Calendar thing. I'm not going to do it here, but if you look at any of my past videos, you can see how to check the busy times in the calendar and stuff. All you do is add it in here anywhere. The main part is these bits, right? So you get all these four: the name, the book, how much booking, the reason for booking, and email address. Okay. In the call mode show at the end, I put my name as John Bond. The time of the booking is here. The reason for booking should just be like table for 2 Europe, and the email address should be johnbond@outlook.com, alright? So to set the two variables we want to use, so these two, you can just directly reference these, which is what we're going to do. And then we're going to put email here, right? For the feedback, put some HTML to make it look nice, alright? So that's a classic automatic email gets sent after the call, right? Just confirming it. So if you want to improve this, I'd say, you know that full busy thing I talked about earlier, put it here, right? And if it doesn't clash, you can send an email, pick a filter, right? And if it does clash, the email doesn't get sent, or a different email gets sent saying there's a time around that time, alright? So a lot of stuff you can do here. Let me show you the call.
Hello and welcome to Tingle Tingle Wingle's Shop for Singles. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a booking.
That sounds amazing. How many guests will be joining you?
2.
What time would you prefer for the booking? And may I also have your name, please?
My name is John Bond, and I would like the appointment to be for maybe 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Mr. Bond, I just need to confirm a few more details. Could you please provide me with your email address so I can send you a confirmation?
Right, my email address is johnbond@outlook.com.
Just to confirm, you said your email address is johnbond@outlook.com. Is that correct?
Yep.
Thank you for calling Tingle Tingle Wingle's Shop for Singles. Have a nice day, and we'll confirm your time shortly.
So yeah, this is it. Name, time of booking, reason for booking, right? Just send to them, just a quick information for them to forget, and that's quite good. So you can just add this to any sort of thing you got going on. Just a quick email confirmation. I just showed you guys how to do it with Zipperland, right? If you want to extract information, to send it off, alright? Maybe back to I'd say in the caller, make sure that you confirm the spelling of some commonly misspelled name, but it says John, J-O-N, this is J-O-H-N. So yeah, that's all it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, quick one today, and maybe I'll see you in day 23.